seryoso.
Dito, bubad ka na.
Wala, hindi pa seryoso na talaga to. This is a song na when I heard it, syempre, narinig ko na siya for many times. Yet, the moment I heard it again with a different context, it really felt so different. So, this is one of the songs that God dedicates to you. Ayan. Totoo, alam nyo, nung mineditate ko yung lyrics, totoo pala. It's really God's song for you. And isn't it nice that a big God has a song for everybody? So, ito, this is just a familiar song. Okay? So, ito. Look into my eyes. Basta, pakinggan yung lyrics, ha?
Sabi diretso.
Oo nga, no? Ulit nga. Ulit. Look into my eyes. You will see what you mean to me. Such a heart, such a soul. I need it. You will touch no more. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. You can't tell me there's nothing I want more. Know it's true. Everything I do it for you. Anong comment? Look into your heart. You will find there's nothing there to hide. Take me as I am. Take my life. I will give it all. I will sacrifice. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. You can't tell me there's nothing I want more. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. There's no love like your love, and no other could give more love. There's no way unless you're there, all the time, all the way, yeah. Definitely, that song really made me cry because I didn't think that God is telling me that everything that I do, I am really doing it for you. And yun nga, alam nyo, as I leave, that is the thing that I would want to give to you. I'm thinking of a remembrance. Aside from the fact that I don't have money na, I'm thinking that the most important remembrance that I can give to everybody is to remind you all that without God in your life, you will always fail. And I really hope and pray that Socrates, yun nga, kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo, just come to think of it, that during this life, anong mangyayari nga if you die today? Like, when I was asked 2 years ago, the pastor asked, sabi niya, what would happen if you die today? And it hurts me so much that I couldn't tell. That what would happen if you die today? Where would you go? So there are just two options. It's either heaven or hell. And it hurts me that I can really be proud to say that I go to heaven. Because I think that I'm not good enough. Yet, yun, napakabuti ni Lord. Kasi, He really intervened. Na the good news is, di ba lagi natin narinig yung good news of salvation. The reason why it's good news is because it's for free. That yung John 3:16, na di ba parang laging source ng, parang laging pinagtatawanan kasi daw ang solo mo lang na verse is John 3:16. However, alam nyo, if you really meditate on that, na ayun, for God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have eternal life. But now I am telling you that right at this very moment, if you accept Jesus Christ in your life, you can be sure. And I can proudly tell you that I am sure that I will go to heaven after this. Others think that, ay, ang yabang naman ito, pupunta na siya ng langit. But the Bible said that it's really true. And ayun, sa Socrates, alam nyo, gusto ko lang malaman nyo na I know that you're working so hard for your studies, but then, isipin nyo na lang, paano nga kung mamatay na nga ako mamaya? Anong mangyayari? Diba? There's more to life than studying. There's more to life than having a husband or a wife. There's more to life than reaching all your dreams. So ayun, dalangin ko na talaga makilala ng bawat isa si Jesus Christ personally. Okay? Kasi lahat kayo, gusto niya talaga kayong makilala. And I am really honored to be here with you to tell you about what Christ did. Katulad nga sinasabi, many are called, but you are chosen. Like, katulad niya, I tell you about God's love for you. It's your choice to listen. It's your choice to neglect. It's your choice. But then whatever your choice will be, you will reap whatever you chose. Okay? So yeah, this is not to what? This is not to frighten you. Because the news about God loving you is not something to be frightened of. Okay? So